Here I have Motorola Moto G9 Power, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly, you have to go to the upper bar, and here you have this button Do Not Disturb. Tap on it once and this mode will be enabled. You can also access some of its settings by holding your finger on this button, and here you can, for example, add exceptions for calls. For example, it could be calls from anyone, from contacts only, from starred contacts, or just don't allow any calls. There's also an option allow repeat callers. If the same person calls a second time within a 15-minute period, allow this call. And the same goes for messages here. You can also manage all other notifications, sounds, and here. You can also restrict visual notifications here. You can restrict only sound, you can restrict visual notifications. You can also manage it for yourself here. You can also set default duration for this mode, and you can add a schedule for it here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.